Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about 7 amazing ways to use ChatGPT. Myself, Mohammed Zubair, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, as we know that ChatGPT is an AI engine that interacts with us in a conversational way. No matter what type of query you give it, it will give you some kind of answer. So in this video, we'll see 7 amazing ways that we can use ChatGPT. First one is to understand different daily concepts. Let's say you do not know about some particular concept and you want to have some information about that. For example, I tried here, what is the inflation and how does it affect a country? I'll hit enter now. Let's see what kind of information do we get. So as you can see, my ChatGPT is giving me the detailed answer about inflation, what it is, and what are different perspective about it. And here we have different ways that how it impacts a country. Okay, let's say you want this particular concept for a 5th grade child. So what I'll do here, I'll ask my ChatGPT to explain the same phenomena for a 5th grade child. So I'll write here, explain it to 5th grade child. I'll hit enter. And now as you can see, the ChatGPT is explaining the same phenomena and same impacts in more easier way, or you can say in those words that can be understood by a 5th grade child. So this is one of the way that you can use it. No matter whatever you ask this particular engine, it will give you some answer. Number 2, we can use it for the marketing of our businesses. So let's say I have a business online and I want to have a marketing strategy for that. So I'll ask my ChatGPT, please give me marketing strategy for online jewelry store, and I'll hit enter. Let's see what do we get. So here it is giving us some of the strategies that we can apply for the marketing of our online business. So it will give you all the steps that you can perform. For example, it starts with the online presence, then promotion offers and discounts, then partner with influencers, then use email marketing, focus on customer services, and things like that. Okay, now let's ask our ChatGPT to give me some taglines for my business. So I'll ask, please give me some taglines that I can use for the marketing. Hit enter and let's see what do we get. So here it is giving us some of the ideas that we can use as a tagline when we are going for our marketing. So here we have some of the examples that we can go with. So you can see how cool is that. Other than that, let's say you also have a blog post for your online business and you want to have an article about a particular subject. So let's say I'll write here, please give me 3 blog post articles titles for my online business. I'll hit enter. It will take our jewelry business on its own and then it will give us 3 taglines for our online blog. Okay, as we have 3 titles, now let's ask our ChatGPT to give us a blog post intro for one of these titles. So I'll ask my ChatGPT, please give me blogspot introduction for the second title above. What it will do, it will take this particular title and it will give me the blog post introduction. Let's see what do we get. So here we have an example of introduction for this particular title. So here you can use it for your blog post and you can post it onto your website. So how cool is that? Not only that, you can also ask your ChatGPT to create different scripts for you. For example, you want to have some advertisement for your product, you can ask your ChatGPT to do that. You want to promote your product onto YouTube channel, you can ask your ChatGPT to do that, and many other things. Okay, let's ask our ChatGPT to give us a YouTube script. So I'll write here, please give me a YouTube video script for my business promotion. And here we have the answer, as here's a sample of YouTube script for promoting your online jewelry business. So you just need to copy this one and you can read it out as a promotional video for your YouTube audience. How cool is that? And now let's move on to the third way that how we can use our ChatGPT. Number 3, Quickly write customized resume and cover letter. Let's say you are applying for a certain job and you do not know that how you can write a resume or how to compile a CV. So I will ask my ChatGPT, write a resume for a Java developer job, and hit enter. Let's see what do we get. Well, here it is giving us the structure of how a resume should look like, and here we have all the other information that we can include in our Java job resume. So how cool and how easy it is. Not only that, you can also ask your ChatGPT that what kind of answer can be asked in an interview. So let's ask our ChatGPT as well. So I'll ask my ChatGPT, what kind of questions should I prepare for the interview, and hit enter. And here we have some of the common questions that get asked by the people in the interview. Number 4, get the content for your websites. Well, let's say you are having an online business or you are planning to have an online business, but you do not know what kind of website or what would be the structure of your website. So for that purpose, you can also use ChatGPT. So I'll write here, please give me the outline for the website of my online jewelry business, and let's see what do we get. And here we have the outline that we should have for our online website. For example, we should have homepage, then we should have about us page, product catalog in which we'll have all the products that we offer to our customers like earrings, necklace, bracelets. Then we have product page, then we have shopping cart page, checkout page, customer services, and things like that. So now you have an idea that what should be the things that you should consider in your website for your online business. On number 5, we can use our ChatGPT as a programming or development help. So let's say you are a developer or you have started your programming journey, you can take the help from ChatGPT. So I'll write here, please write the code in Python to request HTTP request, hit enter. Here it says here is a Python script that demonstrates how to make an HTTP request using the request library. And not only that, even if you are facing some problem or there are some errors in your code, you can ask your ChatGPT to find out the problem. Let it get complete and then I'll show you the example. I'll just copy this code and I'll ask my ChatGPT to find out the problem. So I'll write here, what is the problem in the following code? I'll just paste my code, and what I'll do here, I'll just remove this particular word, and let's see if our ChatGPT can find out the problem. I'll hit enter, and here you can see it has found out the problem and it has fixed it as well. It says you should replace response.status with response.status_code, and exactly this was the problem. So you can see how powerful it is that you can use it for your programming and for your development help. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Number 6, we can use our ChatGPT as a translator. You can put any language in ChatGPT and it will give you the right answer in your native language. For example, I have a poem copied, so I'll just paste that here. This is a poem in Spanish and I'll ask my ChatGPT to translate this one into English. So I'll write here, please translate the following in English, and let's see what do we get. And here it has started to translate it into our English language. And not only that, you can ask to do the same in any other language. Let's try Chinese. So I'll write here, please do that in Chinese language. Let's see what do we get. And here it has started to translate our poem into our Chinese language. Well, obviously I don't know what it is, but surely it is translating that one into Chinese language. And on number 7, we can use our ChatGPT as a tool to kill the time. Let's say you are getting bored and you do not have anything to do. You can ask ChatGPT to do different things. For example, let's ask ChatGPT to tell us a joke. So I'll write here, tell me a joke. I'll hit enter, and here it has started to develop a joke for me. Not only that, we can also specify the age group for which we want to have a joke. So I'll write here, please give me a joke for 5th grade child, and now it will give me a joke that is appropriate for the 5th grade child to understand. And now let's see what do we get. And here it says, sure, there is a joke that might be suitable for a 5th grader. So this is one of the ways that you can use your ChatGPT to kill your time or to freshen up your mood. Other than that, you can also ask different riddles to ChatGPT. So I'll write here, please ask me a riddle based on Python programming language, and I hit enter. Now it will ask us a riddle, but that will be based on Python programming language. So let's say you are a Java developer, or you are a doctor, you are an engineer, or you are a lawyer, or you perform any other things. You can ask ChatGPT to ask a riddle according to that particular profession. And here we have the riddle. Now let's ask one more time. I'll write here, please ask one more riddle, and hit enter. And here we have another riddle that we can use. So this is one of other ways that you can use to kill the time with the help of ChatGPT. Not only that, let's say you are some poetic person and you love to write or read poetry. You can ask ChatGPT to do that. And not only that, you can also specify particular circumstances for which you want to have a poetry. And now I'll ask my ChatGPT to write me a poem based on rain. So I've asked my ChatGPT to please write me a poem based on rain, and hit enter. And let's see what do we get as result. And this is a very prominent one, and we all know what it is. So let's ask our ChatGPT to bring us or to give us another one. So I'll write here, please give me another one. And let's see what do we get as result this time. And here we have another poem that is based on rain. So how cool and how easy it is. And the good thing is that you are not concerned, or this ChatGPT is not concerned with the age group. If you want to have something for you, you can have same thing for a particular age group. As I have shown you that we can have joke for younger people, for 5th grader, or for older people as well. That is the power of this particular tool. And these are different ways that you can use ChatGPT in your daily life. Some of them were related to fun, some of them were related to your professional life, and there were many other things. So that was all about this particular video, and I hope now that you must have liked and loved watching this one. And now you might consider different ways that how you can use your ChatGPT. If that is the case, please leave a like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Till the next video, take care.